loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Cass. If this is your first time here, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and also tap the bell. That way you're able to get notifications and join us weekly, bi-weekly, because I post 2 times a week now. Go girl with your consistency. If you're returning, thanks so much for coming back this week. If you have not hit the bell, you should also do that as well, so that way you're able to get notifications and continue to tune in with us. This week I am bringing you a wig essentials video. If you are trying to begin to make wigs, or if you are already making wigs and struggling, or if you just need some new tools, this video is going to be for you. Of course, I got all of these items from Aliexpress as per usual, so that means they are affordable, but will just take some time to get to you. If you want to see what my wig essentials are, then please just stay tuned. So the first and most important thing that I'm going to show you guys is this fabric mannequin head. I literally could not be the wig maker I am today without them. Granted, my wigs still be struggling, but they struggle less. Like I said, I'm not on the struggle bus anymore. I'm on the struggle jet. I'm a little bit higher. I'm in the air. I'm living my best life. This mannequin head is superb. I did end up going to my local beauty supply store because they did have some of these, and they honestly were charging like $32 for the head, and I was just like, no, you're not gonna get me. So I went to Aliexpress to see if they sold something of that nature, and they did. It does have this little hole so that you're able to actually put it onto a wig stand, and it works with multiple wig stands because it actually came with one, which is great in this set. It came with this little wig stand right here, and you just pop it like on the edge of a table or a countertop or something like that, and you're able to twist it and then just lock it in place. You're able to untwist this right here and move this however you need to, and then just tighten it back up. So you just sit the wig stand, the wig head on it like this. So it's perfect. If you're a beginner, this is perfect for you, especially if you're in college. If I had had this in college, Lord, this would have been perfect, because they always give you that little desk in your room and you can just pop it on there and binge watch a show while you make your wig. Take me back. Take me back, dear Lord. Listen, college was a time to be alive, man. A time to be alive. The next thing I want to show you guys are some elastic bands. I have not tried these out yet, but I'm super stoked about them. I got 2 different styles, so I will show them to you. This one is style A. I have the width of the band in a 3.5 centimeter. I believe they have 2.5 centimeters as well. The reason I got this one is because it's so simple to use. It literally is just like an oversized adjustable bra strap, or a strap on like a tank top or something like that. You actually can disconnect it as if it were a strapless bra. So you can connect it that way, pop it onto your head, and that's after you sew these 2 tabs. This is the length mine came in. From there, you can adjust it by just weaving this through, pulling it out, and boom, your wig is tighter. Or you can make it tighter this way, just going up this way, boom. I really like this because it's so simple. Once you already have it on your head, you're able to adjust it even from underneath, which is really cool. I just love this whole sliding bar method because it's literally just like a bra strap. You can like do it on your own really quick, and it's not too much to think about. You literally just sew it on and adjust it and call it a day. Super cool. I love this, and I cannot wait to put it on my 2 most recent wigs that I made. I'm going to attach one of these to that one. I'm not sure which one yet. This one is style B. You have probably seen this one on like RPG show hair wig hauls because they have started using these. It's really a lot more complex than the first one that I showed you. It comes in 4 separate pieces. So it has 2 small little ones like this, and then it has an extension piece like this that actually has 1 longer set of hooks, and then a smaller section, and then this little small one. So essentially, I believe from what I'm seeing, you actually sew these 2 tabs down on the top of the frontal. So these 2 small pieces would be at the top, and then you would go ahead and connect the longer pieces to them like so. So now you have the small earpiece and then one of these pieces. So now that's all connected. So now if it's sewn down, this is what it would look like under your wig going this way. So from there, you're able to actually, it's just like as if you're securing your own bra. It has the 3 hook settings, and you can go from here to here to here and make it tighter. This one is very cool and complex. It's very professional. So if you're like a professional wig maker, I think this would be super dope for your clients. Something to include for them, because then they wouldn't have to worry about putting it in an adjustable strap by themselves, and you would also already know where to put it because you're the pro. So These are very, very cool. All right, guys, that is all that I had to show you today. If you are a wig maker, if you're just beginning to make wigs, if you're trying to step your game up a little bit with wigs, I feel like these are great essential pieces. Once again, that mannequin head, guys, is just a lifesaver, because the fact that it's the same size as your head, it just makes making your wig custom for yourself a breeze. As per usual, guys, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please drop them down below in the comments section, and all of the links will be in the description box. I love you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.